This is a fit for a 2020 and beyond Toyota Highlander with factory installed crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack XTray Large. We found this to be an ideal fit for this vehicle. The bars are in a fixed position, while the mounting hardware, which is included with the XTray, is variable adjust to get the perfect fit to the fixed bars. This is a tubular steel constructed basket with a durable black powder coat finish. Included is a plexiglass wind fairing to minimize wind noise. The basket weighs 46 pounds. This roof rack can accommodate up to 154 pounds, leaving an 88-pound carrying capacity within the basket. The basket measures 58 inches in length, 43 inches wide, and 6 inches high. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.